Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do a spelling assignment with syllable counting. Our first word is hot. Let's spell hot. See, it's not on pen. Hot. Very good. How many syllables are in hot? One. Very good. Let's fill in the bubble for one. I'm switching back to my pen. Okay, boys and girls, our next word is dog. D-A-G. Dog. How many syllables in dog? One. Very good.